Bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum.
What, are we rolling? Oh, good. Hey, it's Rudy Giuliani. I know most of you think I'm a big nut job because I used to work for former President Trump. That's why I waited till Inauguration Day to record this video. No. This video is not another litany of complaints about last year. That's so 2020. No, the reason I'm taping this is I've got a very simple message for the American people. You ready? Donald J. Trump is an imbecile. Look, I know he's going to see this, so is that clear enough, you orange turd blossom? Here's a wake-up call for you, Donnie. You got your ass kicked in November. I mean, for Pete's sake, you couldn't even win in Georgia. That state's where they filmed Deliverance. Hi-oh. Talk about losing your base, huh? Ooh. Of course, your fragile ego couldn't handle losing, so you shoved me into the spotlight to try to overturn it. So I spent the last couple of months spewing whatever nonsense you wanted me to say, knowing you expected complete loyalty from me, while at the same time, you could throw me under the bus without a second thought. But then, I found out a couple of days ago, you weren't even gonna pay me? That's when I decided to throw the game and take the crazy stuff to the next level. You know, making up laws, leaking hair dye on my face, breaking wind in front of a congressional committee. Well, and in case you're wondering, I'm not the only one who feels this way about you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Melania, your former First Lady. Don't worry, I'm relieved as well. Hey, Donald, I have riddle for you. What's black and red and white and red with tears? Give up? It's the divorce papers. Oh, you can't imagine how long I've been looking forward to this day. It's been 4 years. Or maybe 10 years if you count our wedding night. I know in proceedings you're going to play poor Donald Trump instead of really rich Donald Trump. You try that, and I'll stick it right back up your ass with candle on it. I know all about secret bank accounts, phony stocks, mafia account tactics, the whole 9 yards. I guarantee I'll be taking you to cleaners. And just in case you don't think that I have the guts, I just bought Mar-a-Lago. You're still not welcome there either. Just to make sure you stay away, I've trained guard dogs to attack anything they see that is 270 pounds and orange. Bye.
Hi, Pop. Don Jr. here. Just wanted to let you know that I'm still with you. We can still win this. Everyone knows this election was rigged. It's all fake news. Okay, I can't do this. I need a breath mint from all the crap that just came out of my mouth. Here's the real story. You're an asshole, Dad. Do you have any idea how embarrassing it is to be named after you? I'd rather be named Don Hitler Jr. or Don Stalin Jr. or even Don the Ripper Jr. But no, I have to walk around for the next 40 or 50 years with people constantly reminding me that my dad is the most amoral pile of monkey snot that has ever walked the earth. You've never been able to show me any human compassion. The last time you hugged me, you tried to steal my wallet, and I was 5 years old at the time. Then you decided to run for president. You made me divorce my wife, and I kind of liked her too. I won't say I loved her because, well, I'm a Trump. Well, then you forced me to start dating that fish lip bitch from Fox News. Have you heard her talk? It's like fingernails on a chalkboard. Ugh. Well, just in case you think I'm the only child of yours who can't stand you, here's Eric to put you in your place. But I think I'll just stick around a bit to give him a hand. Eric, is that you?
I am Eric.
Oh, okay, Eric, won't you sit down? No, Eric, don't sit on the floor. Yeah, I know you're Eric, but don't sit on the floor. Why don't we get up and sit in the chair? Okay, well, good. And then you want to put the leg over on the, so remember how we rehearsed it yesterday, how we practiced this? Remember, you can get it there, buddy. Come on. Oh, there we go. Good job, champ.
I am Eric.
Hey, well, no, turn to the left. No, nobody, your other left.
I am Eric.
Okay, Eric. Now, listen carefully. You need to talk to the camera. You do know what a camera is.
I am Eric.
Yeah, that's not a camera, buddy. That's a toaster. That won't take pictures. The only thing it does, it makes bread warm.
I am Eric.
Yeah, no, Eric, even if you plugged it in, it wouldn't take pictures.
I am Eric.
This is hopeless. Let's just go to the next kid.
Hi, it's Ivanka Trump. You might remember me from my past videos, such as, "You're not allowed to talk to other world leaders, young lady. And didn't I tell you not to talk to them? Go sit in your car, you waste of space." I've got a special message for all the men out there. I don't like my daddy no more. He's creepy. He also thinks I'm being stupid, which probably isn't good either. So I'm starting a GoFundMe account so I can find me a new daddy. Find out more on my new website, which is www.iwanttobeivangasnewdaddy.org/.com/.biz.com, or find me on Parlor. You don't need to be a rich millionaire to be my daddy either. You can be just a plain old billionaire. I want to let you know, though, that if you are my daddy, There can't be no inappropriate touching like my old daddy used to. You can't touch my hair or my butt or my ears or my butt or my arms or my butt or my dirty chest pillows or my butt.
But
What else can I tell you about me? I have lots of interesting hobbies, I think. I'm also not materialistic. I just want your love, new daddy, and a shiny red car with a radio. Oh, and just in case you were wondering what Jared thinks, here he is.
hi, Dad. You stink. I want a new father-in-law. Do me a favor and kiss my butt. Pucker up, buttercup.
Good job, Jared.
Don, it's Rudy again. Hey, over here, buddy. In case you haven't figured it out by now, you won't be able to get a friends and family cell phone plan. Why? Because your entire family has disowned you, and all your remaining friends are in jail for storming the Capitol. For the rest of the American people, the Von Trumps and I have come up with a new song, huh? Trump is gone. Trump is gone.
He's no longer our leader.
Orange and crass.
Lumpy ass.
I think he wears a diaper.
Out of that office, he's unemployed.
Unemployed forever.
Now he's gone.
Lawsuits on.
Bless my country forever.
I am